एक्सटेंडेड यूनिक इंटरफेस, इसको हमें मैप करना है 64 बिट में। अगेन यू माइट हैव क्वेश्चन, क्यों मैप करना है? क्योंकि यहां से हमें एक 128 बिट IPv6 एड्रेस बनाना है। ओके, we want to make 128 bit IPv6 address. So that's why we are doing this process. That means just take the whatever hardware address of your device that you try to map to the IPv6 address. Interesting. Which we were not doing in earlier case. In IPv4, earlier case, that means IPv4. Okay, my interesting another side question, practical question. When you are using your Wi-Fi, do your Wi-Fi has the different hardware address than your NIC? Yes, anyone? Soham, are you there? Hello?
Sir, hello sir.
हाँ yes.
हाँ sir, I think NIC और NIC की ID MAC ID होती है।
हाँ, NIC का हार्डवेयर एड्रेस मैक आईडी बोलते हैं, और आप वाईफाई से कर रहे हो तो उसका मैक आईडी डिफरेंट है उससे। हेलो, what I am telling, just let's finish that and then we will move to command prompt and we will see. Let's see right now, proceed further. Then I will answer that question. Okay, mapping 48 bit to 64 bit, and that is what happening here. One additional stuffing is being done. That is 64 bit stuff किया आपने, 64 bit. 16 bit is stuffed in 48 bit, and that's why 48 plus 16 will make 64. 48 plus 16, that makes 64. And how does it happen? First of all, you are making this local conversion to global, and then in between you are just splitting this, and you put this rest 3 combination of hardware address here. You put this 3 at here with change bit, and in between you sandwich this pattern. You sandwich, that means you are just putting in between. That is nothing but your hex pattern is F, and then FE. FF and then FE. Okay, so that is what we are supposed to do. So let's move with an example. It would be very clear. Okay, so Kalpit, are you there?
Yes, sir. An organization is assigned the global routing prefix 48-bit block as 200014562474. What is the CIDR notation for the blocks in the first and the second subnets in this organization?
Okay, good. And that's what now we are coming to a few interesting examples which you might have done about in IP version 6, also about the classes, various classes. And what is this? This is something interesting which will come now. There is a one specific address, block address you have been given. And that begins with, you can see 200, and this is nothing but ग्लोबल यूनिकास्ट एड्रेस. इसको मैं ग्लोबल यूनिकास्ट एड्रेस बोलूंगा. क्यों? क्योंकि दैट इज दिस प्रीफिक्स 2000. So that is the global unicast address. Remember that this you have to just remembers all these certain things. So this is the global unicast address. And now we are proceeding, that how can we proceed? So this is what exactly what is happening. Okay, if we understand now, if we go back, the actual first 48 bits where the, okay, just let me tell, 128-bit IP version 6 address is made up of M plus N plus Q. M was the global routing prefix, N was the subnet identifier, and rest of the Q is the 64-bit, that is the actual interface identifier. I am telling interface identifier. GRP, global routing prefix, that is of 48-bit. And this 48-bit has been given to you. This is the 48-bit. You just count how many number of digits are there. Raj, इस एड्रेस ब्लॉक में कितने डिजिट्स हैं? How many total digits? Total digits, just you count. 12. And each digit is of 4-bit. When you go, this is hex notation. ये पूरा hex notation है. This is hex notation. IP version 6 is most generally used hex notation. Remember that it is hex notation. So that means one digit is 4-bit. Do not forget. So that means 48-bit. So that is 48-bit is, this is your M. You have been given M. This M is given. And now what is CIDR notation for the blocks in the first and second subnets? That means this M has been given 2000. I'm writing the same thing, 1456 and 2474. And when I write like this, I would like to write like this, /48, prefix 48, global routing prefix. So ये मैंने /48 लिखा. Now I need to design N. N कितने बिट का, अर्चित? M plus N plus Q. M 48 बिट का.
Yes. N जो है वो 64 बिट्स का होगा.
N होगा 16 बिट का.
सर 16 बिट. 16
bit. Okay. Just let me go back to you again. You have to remember this. Tomorrow I would be sharing this slide. कहाँ गया वो figure? ये. It was the N plus. Okay, मैंने M और N ले लिया, but that you can interchange. This is 48 bit. This is 16 bit. Okay, so the 16 bit. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes sir.
Yes. So 16 bit को आपको लिखना है पहला सबनेट शुरू करके. So that means you have always your 16 bit start with this hex. This is, I'm writing hex 00000. This is my first, but in that now I am defining subnet. So that means I'm making my first subnet, that is 0001. Okay, 0001. And in this subnet, ये पहला subnet, दूसरा subnet is 0002. Okay, like this. And that is what your first subnet का address ये हुआ. Okay, that means blocks are 2014562474 and then 0000. Now you added, now you appended subnet. So that is from 48. Now I am having that 64 because this is 64-bit notation. And my next subnet is going to be 0001. 0000, 0001, 0002. So this way, my first subnet, second subnet, third subnet, and like that. Actually, I can have more than 65,000 subnets are possible. And in each subnet, how many addresses I can allocate? Each subnet में मैं कितने address allocate कर पाऊंगा? Very interesting practical question. Hello. Yes, in each subnet, how many thing which I can allocate? एक सबनेट में कितने machines accommodate हो सकते हैं? स्पर्श?
Yes, sir.
एक subnet में, this is my subnet 0001, and in that how many machines can be allocated?
2 to the power 6 minus 1. No, 2 to the power 6 minus 1.
2 to the power 64. Okay, IPv4 नहीं है ये. Remember. 2 to the power 64. क्योंकि ये तो अभी आपका हाफ IPv6 एड्रेस है. पूरा IPv6 एड्रेस तो और 64 बिट ऐड होगे तब जाके बनेगा. That means in each subnet you can have 2 to the power 64 IP address can be accommodated. Okay, I think, is this clear to you? So we proceed to the next example. Is it clear? Sparsh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find the interface identifier if the physical address in the UI is this, that is F5, A9, and 23, EF, 07, 14, 7A, D2. And now I want to find the, what I call, that is the interface identifier. So here I'm writing again F5, A9. Only this many bits I prefer, because rest of the things there is no change. So only the things that is we will go with that making 0 to 1, making 0 to 1. Which seventh bit we are going to make 0 to 1, and that's what 1. This 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. A is as usual, no change here, and that is 1, 0, 1, 0. 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the binary notation. This was my hex notation. And this is my binary notation. Now just we will turn on the 7th bit from 0 to, I make it 1. From 0 to, we are making it 1. So this address would be changed. And what it would be changed? What would be the answer? Yes, Archit.
F7A9 हो जाएगा.
F7A9, and that is what the if the physical address in this UI is like this, then it would be F7A9, and rest of the things is as it is. I'm taking a pair of 4, so that is 23EF. We will take a pair of 4, remember that, in IPv6 address. जब भी IPv6 address में जाएंगे, we will take a pair of 4. So 07, 14, and remember letter is 782. So this is my half IPv6 address. So this is what 4 blocks. Actual IPv6 address is having 8 blocks. So there are 4 blocks. Each block is having 4 hex digits. Okay, this notation I can also write. यहाँ पे आगे 0 है. So that is also written in literature or practically you will. Hello, yes.
सर वो आपने मतलब क्या किया समझ में नहीं आया.
Just you have to turn on the 7th bit. आपको 7th bit just turn on करना है. तो ये local से global बन जाता है. 7th bit.
From the beginning.
From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's why I cancelled that. So that is this was the 5 which was here. So 7th bit में change आया. And that just be turned on from 0 to 1. Actually, we are in the process of moving from local to global. So यहाँ से 0 को 1 किया. And that has made F7 now instead of F5. Okay. Another important interesting thing. When you see the IPv6 address, it is also written in short notation. So 23EF colon. I can ignore this 0. This 0 I can ignore, and in writing I can write like this 714. If it is 0, okay, preceding 0. But actually that is 0714. Every block is having 4 digits. But I can shortcut, I can write like this. So this is the half part. Okay, we move to very detailed. That means when I want to generate a complete IP address. That's an interesting example which we will come. Okay, so this was what the answer already we have discussed. Okay, so another problem is telling about okay, that's what you can see already we have seen. Yes, now let's move to one detailed example. So combining all that examples together. An organization is assigned the 48-bit global routing prefix, and that is clearly evident from here. This is global unicast address. What is the IPv6 address of an interface in the 3rd subnet if the IEEE physical address of the computer is this? Now, you have been exactly asked that this is my Ethernet MAC address, and I want to generate the IPv6 address, and my 48-bit global routing prefix is this. Yes. So how this thing will work out? Okay. कैसे बढ़ेंगे आगे हम? Om, are you there? Kalpit? Jaydev, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Now, direct candid question is, we have been given all this information and we have been asked that what should be the IPv6 address.
So first तो सर 7th बीट को 1 कर देंगे पहले तो एड्रेस की IEEE की.
Yes.
एंड फिर जो सर हमें 48 बिट दिया गया ना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मतलब असाइन ग्लोबल राउटिंग प्रीफिक्स.
Yes,
उसमें
yes.
से सबनेटिंग मतलब सबनेट करना पड़ेगा तो 60/64 बिट का वो जनरेट करना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, very good. Yes, and then you will append this address. Turn on kiya hua bit.
Yes, sir.
Exactly, very good. And that's what now, very simple process. Just once you see, you will easily able to understand. And this is what the typical thing, which 48 bit, जो हम M या N बोलते हैं. So that is 2000. This is my global prefix. मैं directly IPv6 address लिख रहा हूँ. And that is 1456. This is not going to change anything. Okay, so this was my first 48 bits as it is. Global routing prefix I put. Now I have my interface is in the third subnet में है. So I can take generally subnet 000 is special subnet. This subnet are not much more used because of this special kinds of address 0000. So if we start actual real usage of subnet, then we can start this 001, यानी कि हम उसको बोल सकते हैं पहला सबनेट. थियोरेटिकली हम इसको पहला सबनेट बोल सकते हैं, but normally in this practical scenario, it is used that first subnet 002, 003. So I can just proceed with this third subnet 003. So this is my 00003, and that is going to be my 64-bit half IPv6 address. Okay. So this is my 64-bit half address is ready. So this 64-bit is ready. And now this, I will take 7th bit of this, just earlier exercise which we have done for F5. And that becomes F7. F5 has become F7 because 5th 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. And turning on this 7 bit 0, 1, 1, 1. So that becomes 7, F7. So now my address is taking the form like this. Okay, and that is now F7A9. Now look at that carefully. I am making a block of 4 because that is what the pattern of writing IPv6 address. 23, 14. Okay, but very important things. यहाँ पे मैं पैर बनाऊंगा तो कैसी पैर बनेगी, कितने ब्लॉक बनेंगे जयदेव?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat the question?
यहाँ पे मैं 4 के ब्लॉक्स बनाऊं तो कितने ब्लॉक्स बनेंगे इस एड्रेस में से, हार्डवेयर एड्रेस में से? हार्डवेयर एड्रेस, अभी ये जो एड्रेस है इसमें मैं 4 ग्रुप का ब्लॉक बनाऊं 4 डिजिट का, तो कितने ब्लॉक बनेंगे?
तो सर 3 बनेंगे.
3 ब्लॉक बनेंगे. यस, पहला ब्लॉक ये, तो ये पूरा एड्रेस नहीं होगा 64 बिट का, 48 बिट ही रहेगा. सो आई हैव टू डू स्टफिंग. स्टफिंग कैसे होगा? नाउ जस्ट लिसन केयरफुली, दैट्स वी आर डूइंग नाउ. FFFE का स्टफिंग करना है, FFFE का. So this first F5A9 हो गया F7A9, 23FF, 23FF. So this is my second block. Then FE14, FE14, and then finally 7AD2. Again, I repeat, this is my complete IPv6 address. अब जाके हम complete IPv6 address पे आए. So this is the complete IPv6 address. कितने blocks बनने? 8 blocks. You can see that. Block number 1, block number 2, block number 3, block number 4, block number 5, block number 6, block number 7, and this block number 8. Each block is of 16 bit. तो मेरा 128 bit का एड्रेस जनरेट हुआ. Are you clear? Sparsh, Raj?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So there are two things which has happened. First thing, local को global में convert किया, that is F5 has been now F7. Then after 24 bit of this address, you have to stuff FF and FE. Listen carefully now. This is very interesting procedure, and that creates the linked local IPv6 address. Linked local. So this is what you will split here. यहाँ से मैं इसको split कर दूंगा बीच में से, exact from the middle. So this one block 23FF, इसके साथ FF paired होगा. This is what this. तो यहाँ पे FF और FE stuff हुए. So 23FF, FE14, and this is as it is 782. So this is my complete now IPv6 address which we are getting. Archit, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so very important this exercise, that how can you create an IPv6 address from the what we call the given Ethernet address or given physical address, not exactly our only network interface card address. Okay, so this was what the one of the interesting example, and that how we can make this thing as a 128 bit. Yes, after this complete address, I can write notation /128, and this is what my CIDR notation. Okay, so this is what the complete address. This already we have computed. Special addresses which you have to just certain addresses which are special addresses, and that special addresses is unspecified addresses. Very interesting notation here which I would like to bring here in your awareness, because IP version 6 is a longer address. तो आप उसको कैसे लिख सकते हो? So this is what few interesting. IP version 4 पूरा embed हो जाता है IPv6 में, because which is very longer address IPv6. So this was unspecified address. That means all zeros when you put, so that becomes special address, and that is I have all zeros, so that means only you begin with 0, 0, 0, 0, and don't write anything. If you say 4 colon, that means इसके पीछे जब तक कुछ नहीं लिखे तब तक वो जो ये 0 है वो 0 ही चलता रहेगा. So that's what here this is telling, that all are zeros. Double colon, एक colon और ये double colon. Now this tells very interesting address, all zeros. And then that simply I have written here double colon format and 1. That means the last block in that last bit is 1. Last bit. This is 128th bit is 1. If I write like 0, 0, 0, 0, colon, I write 1, 0 or 1, 1. That means all 126 bits are zeros because this 2 colon specifies that. And that last 2 bit is 1, 1. This is the very usual notation which is used. This tells /128. This exactly tells you कहाँ तक आपको जाना है, where you have to limit yourself. Okay. Here this tells that this is compatible. Compatible क्यों? क्योंकि 96 is your notation. That means 0, 0, 0, colon. When you say 96, that means up to 96 bit, you will continue your 0. That means all previous 96 bits are 0. And rest of the things you can put here. That is compatible because IP version 4 is embedded in IPv6. Are you getting what I'm telling? Hello? Archit?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, yes.
As an example, I say if my IP address is 10.5.100.10, for example, if I say this, and I want to, this IP version 4, I want to embed in IPv6, then I can use such compatible scheme. And ये पूरा notation जो अभी decimal में है, that would be converted into hex notation. That would be converted into hex notation. So this 32-bit has to go in. This 32-bit has to go in hex notation. Okay, so that's very important because this would go into hex notation. So that we will come just later. Okay, so similarly, this is another way that all ones and till that you continue with zeros, and the last you continue with FFFFF, that is 16 bits, all ones. This is also another mapped address. Okay, so that is 18 bit, 80 bit, 16 bit, 32 bits. So this is what how your IPv4 can be mapped to IPv6. So we will come to that example also. Okay. Yes. Now this was about the spatial addresses which we have seen, and we will come to other assigned blocks. Okay. This was the unique local. Some of them are some of them are important. This is for auto configuration. That is called link local. Link local, very important. This is 10 bits are fixed. Okay, 10 bits fixed, and that's why we use this notation. And that's this begins with this is F. And this is E and 1 0. So this is 1 0 makes clear that it is 8, and everything rest of the things can be anything in between, and that is the link local address. Okay, so this is what how this link local address is getting generated. Okay, so let's move to one command line arguments. Okay, just let me see. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So this is what right now on this machine there are you can see various IP version 6 addresses. On one adapter, that means one interface also, you find more than one IPv6 on one interface itself. And that is what here you see. This was what the IP version 4 address. But here you see link local IPv6 address. Link local IPv6 address. And that is very clear. It begins with FE80. Just recently we have seen that link local address is having the prefix that is FE8 zeros, FE8 zeros. And that's what it is showing over here. And 64-bit MAC address, 48-bit physical address is supposed to be embedded in the generation of this link local IPv6 address, this physical address. But in Windows does not follow exactly this mechanism. Windows follow that. That means on your Linux machine, you can check out this thing. Okay, and you can share your experience too with me. So in Linux PCs or your Ubuntu, you can see your physical address. And from that physical address, are you able to generate link local IPv6 address? Okay. In Windows, it's not exactly follow that protocol. So this was what we will also talk on that. That is the link local IPv6 address. First thing, what is the purpose of link local IPv6 address? Very important. The purpose which we must know, because it is about just like we can say, first thing, auto configuration. The purpose of auto configuration, neighbor discovery. Okay, so this local addresses are used to generally to reach the neighbors. Okay, which are attached on that same link. So that is the another very important purpose of this link local IPv6 address. So it is directly configured, or we can say it proceeds with the auto configuration. So you can see another tab here, auto configuration enabled. Are you able to see this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ऑटो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इनेबल्ड कैसा है वो, यस है या नो? इज इट यस और नो? ऑटो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इनेबल्ड, yes, it will show yes. This is the property of IPv6. IPv4 में ये property नहीं थी, auto configuration. So that link local address, IPv6 address is automatically configured when your machine is turned on. जबकि IPv4 में this is not a facility. IPv4 has to contact DHCP. Has to contact DHCP to get the IP address. But this can directly proceed to find its link local IPv6 address. Okay. So that is auto configuration properties enabled. Yes, another interesting point which we will come to in our next session, that is which two other addresses IPv6 you are able to see. Can anyone speak out? अभी स्क्रीन पे दूसरे दो IPv6 एड्रेस दिख रहे हैं, वो कौन कौन से हैं? Can someone read out? Hello. Aditi, are you able to read? There are 3 IPv6 एड्रेस दिख रहे हैं, उसमें एक लिंक लोकल है और दूसरे दो एड्रेस, यस, दूसरे दो एड्रेस क्या लिखा है उसमें?
IPv4 एड्रेस एंड फिजिकल एड्रेस.
Okay, that's okay. But IPv6 एड्रेस कितने दिख रहे हैं? IPv6 एड्रेस.
Let me check, sir. Sir, temporary IPv6 address है.
Yes, very good. And another one is simple. It is written IPv6 address.
Yes. Okay, sir.
And another one is a link local IPv6 address.
Okay, sir.
Link local IPv6. You can see 3 IPv6 address.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you able to see Om? Jaydev?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are 3 IPv6 address एक ही interface पे. This is right now I am accessing internet through wireless LAN adapter. And on one interface I am able to see 3 addresses. This is very interesting and surprising. We have discussed only link local IPv6 address. उसके अलावा temporary भी है और global IPv6 address है. So what is the role of this? We will come to discuss in our next. To discuss one is link local, and there is also temporary, and another one is this. Okay. Any question from your end? This is very interesting part which we are discussing as a part of computer network. And now you can see the power of the IPv6 addresses compared to IPv4. Yes, any question, any doubt? Sparsh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, any question or any doubt, whatever we have discussed till now?
No, sir. I'll try to study again and then ask if there is any doubt tomorrow.
Very interesting exercise. You can do one thing. How many of you are able to see your all IP addresses in your machine? Try to check out which are the interfaces on your machine. Okay. Another my question is, do your mobile has the hardware address, physical address, MAC address होता है mobile में? Raj, Archit, anyone? Kalpit? Hello, am I audible? Archit, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. आपने मोबाइल में चेक किया है आपका मोबाइल का मैक एड्रेस क्या है और हार्डवेयर एड्रेस क्या है? हेलो.
Yes, sir. I think it has one physical address.
Yes, it has. So try to check it. Check your phone properties. Soham, are you there? Okay, so you can check your varieties of physical address of your on your mobile also. Okay, and do that. Try to explore the exercise. Then you have certain more questions. Okay, so thank you for listening, and I will let you know. First, let me see how many of you are checking various physical address of your mobile devices. Then in next session also I will let you know how you can check out. But try to just explore your mobile settings. Also on your computer, I have right now my computer. You try to check that, you try to see that, then you will have more clarity about this. Okay, last announcement. Am I audible clearly? Ashmi, are you there? Ashmi, Anoli?
Yes, sir.
Okay, as per the schedule of the active learning assignment, I think Anoli and Ashmi, you are having the first turn. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so I think the topic was HTTP and Aloha.
HTTPS.
If you don't, if you doubt, you can ask, and I can send some of the material. Already I've shared the book with you, and if you doubt, you can ask, and I will send some of the material also. Okay. Okay, so thank you all. So I just end the session here. Yes, yes. From where did you check your MAC address of your phone properties? Okay. Also try. Okay. Also try to explore your Bluetooth. So Okay. Okay. So good. So you check 3. We will discuss also some of the issues of that. Your Ethernet MAC address, try to check. Does it change? It's not supposed to change. Yes. Okay. So try to think. We will come to that points also. I want everyone to check out the various IP addressing schemes on your devices. आप जो भी laptop use करते हो, because you are ICT engineer, now you can think and you can answer. So you can check on your laptop, you check on your mobile also. Okay. So thank you. You can note down this thing, Raj. Whatever you observe. Yes. Okay. So I'm ending. I hope this is clear. Certain parts also we will keep discussing in our next session. Thank you all. Tomorrow is holiday.